Hello, today I will make you teach E-sound rhyming words. Rhyming words are the words that have same or similar ending sound. So let's begin. B-E-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. E-D is the rhyming sound. So we have to make two more words that ends with E-D sound. Bed, L-E-D, led, R-E-D, red. Now next word, L-E-G, leg. L-E-G, leg. Now make two more rhyming words ending with E-G sound. B-E-G, beg. K-E-G, keg. Leg, beg, keg. Now next word, N-E-T, net. So we have to make two more words that ends with E-T sound. Net, pet. P-E-T, pet. One more word, M-E-T, met. Now next word, T-E-N, ten. E-N. E-N is the rhyming sound. So we have to make two more words that ends with E-N sound. Ten, pen. P-E-N, pen. One more word, hen. H-E-N, hen. Now recite with me. Bed, led, red. Next, leg, beg, keg. Net, pet, met. Next, ten, pen, hen. Like this, you have to complete your worksheet and recite it as many as you can. While completing your worksheet, you have to recite the words again and again. Thank you.